Okay, so here is my Etsy haul, and I have 3 packages here. The first one is I bought something from Selena over at AmourFabriQues, and I bought something on her live stream. Like she has like a live auction. And so then I contacted her and I said, before you send it to me, could you also sell me a package of scraps for $10? Put in a bag, whatever was $10 worth of scraps, and give it to me, or I'll pay you for it. So the first thing is, this is what I bought on her live stream, and these were just beautiful to me. I love the bright color, and the pink and the gold were just gorgeous. I don't know how I'm going to use this, probably on a cover, but that is just to die for gorgeous. And then I also liked this pink with the champagne as well. This was also very beautiful to me. So I can't remember how much each one of those were. I don't know. $3 each. And then this was the package of stuff for $10. So I just said, give me $10 worth of scraps and I'll pay you $10. So she did. And there's just some beautiful beaded pieces, and I just wanted to show you. Wow, I haven't been through this yet. So, you know, I was traveling from Seattle Tacoma International Airport to Maui, and I saw a lot of people on my travels, on my waiting, right? A lot of people watching times, and I saw some people wearing some different clothing with different beading, and you know, I just really appreciate the amount of work that goes into it. This one's really cool. Here in the fabric is a pattern, and then there's this on top of it. So these are great. Thank you so much, Selena. These are just wonderful. I don't even know what that is, but it's just beautiful. That's all sequins. So this one is, I don't know. Oh, that's the back. It's just as beautiful on the back. But look at all these sequins and shimmer and just really great stuff. So this was my AmourFabriQues on Etsy haul. I love the circles. Just some scraps. That's what I wanted, you know? Just some bits and pieces. I mean, wow. I can't believe this was all $10. This is, I would have paid probably $20 for this. Selena, you're not charging enough. Or you gave me too much for that amount of money. So these are beautiful. I'm just trying to, oh my gosh. That is so sweet. It really shines. I don't think this light is doing it justice, but that is like diamond shiny. So thank you so much for, I highly recommend shopping with her. She's great to work with, and we had a little conversation because I wanted to make sure, you know, I was saying what I meant to say, and she's just wonderful. So I just found her on YouTube, and I mean, she cut all these things out, so it's like I don't even have to do that work. This is beautiful. This is just gorgeous. Look at that little one. That's so sweet. Wow, Selena, you blow me away. The detail in this, I'm sure a lot of it's machine, but it's just so nice. So sparkly. So fun. Can you see the sparkle? Wow, it just keeps going and going. Oh my gosh, and going. I love leaves. I don't know why. This is really great. So if you have an idea of what you want and it's not on her shop, I don't know, message her on Etsy. Maybe she'll help you out. I don't know what she's up to or what's going on. I'm not personal friends with her. I'm just a customer. But she really made an impact on me. Wow. Holy cow. Whoa, this one is so beautiful. That's great. So this is my first Etsy package that I opened when I got home. Oh, I love this. Because I ordered some things for my birthday because I'm an adult and I get things for my birthday, but really I wanted to get something that I knew that I would love. Although I got some great things for my family. The second thing I got is from Jessica Rapp at Twosilveroranges, and I'm gonna open it up this way. And it was actually packaged in this nice paper. I took it out, I already looked at it. So she gave me a couple of cards that were just an extra, and then this is what I bought, and this was one of her mini, what does she call them, monthly minis, and it is mini, and you know, in the picture I knew it was a mini, and when I bought it I knew it was a mini, and when I but when I opened the package I'm like, oh, it really is mini, and it's so sweet. It's 5 1/4 inches essentially by 3 1/4. It's great. It's perfect size. I love it. And there's this little charm that she makes. She makes all these charms, and there's these clusters, and I just wanted to see how she's making these, so that's why I ordered one. Kind of like market research, you know. Here's her cluster, just all sorts. This is from the quilt that she bought, all sorts of fun stuff. I think this is like a file folder, and just, it's not over embellished. That's what I like about it. There's little things here and there. There's little tucks and little paper clips and little ephemeras, and but it's not embellished, so I could go through and embellish it even more. That's some of that onion skin paper that she talks about. That's really cool. But just little things. So I like this. This is beautiful, and just little tickets and little, you know, things that you can embellish, and tags, and it's fun. This is fun stuff, Jessica. So I don't know if she watches my channel, but I'll let her know that I did a little quick flip, and this is just great. Transportation. Oh, I wonder if that is, yep. Haha. I have that stamp. That's fun. She just stamped it on something. Oh, I'm gonna do that. That's fun, Jessica. Okay. I just got those stamps. I should have done a haul of the things that, yeah. I just bought these stamps for myself last month. I haven't even taken them out of the package, but I will. But yeah, her journal it's not over embellished, and that's what I like about it. So, and fun stuff in the back, and a little pocket, and it's just beautiful. And then this is kind of cool. This part comes around, and this part wraps a couple of times, and then you would tie it right there. So that was my second thing from Etsy. And then Selena had showed a journal on her channel, and she said a woman named Betty made it, and that we could contact Betty to make if we wanted one. And I contacted Betty, and she sent me a box, and it was really easy to pay her. And let's see if I can cover up. So this is the box, and I'm gonna open it up. There we go. And I haven't opened this yet, so you guys are seeing this with me. There's lots of shredded paper, and oh, look, like a flamingo. Oh, how fun. And a little card. Let me see the card real quick. Oh, thank you, Betty. Okay, I hope that you're watching, Betty. I'm gonna leave that on. She made this journal, and I was like, I need to have that. She showed me pictures, and let's see if I can cut this. I don't even know if I have a scissor here. Here we got my little tiny bee scissors. I don't want to cut the book. But she's not, I don't think she's on Etsy. I'm not exactly sure, but I didn't buy it on Etsy, but I'm including it in my Etsy haul. My junk journal haul. There we go. Super excited. Oh my gosh, it's like triple wrapped. I've got cords and everything, and the cat's gonna have a fun time with that. Oh, Betty, it's beautiful. Wow, some beautiful, beautiful lace. A lace bow. Well, that's going to my lace box right now. It's over there. And beautiful washi tape. Okay, that's keeper stuff. Isn't that funny how much we love, like, junk? Yeah. Okay, oh my gosh, Betty. Whoops, knocked the camera. Knocked it again. Let me adjust. There we go. Betty, this is boho birds. Yeah, I liked it because of the birds. Look at this fabric and wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is like a tapestry. And this huge paper clip. Oh, something needs to be dangling off of that. Wow, there's something dangling here. Some old keys and a lock. You see that lock? That is a cool charm. And then a real key. That's cool, Betty. You outdid yourself. Wow. Oh my gosh, a little bird charm. So it says boho bird. So I'm assuming this is like a bird-ish. Oh, cool. Theme. Paris. Look at a ruffle. A sachet. Vanilla scented. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, that's going in a drawer, right? Here's Betty's. Here's a card. Betty Stewart. Made on 7/2018. Enjoy your journal. Thank you, Betty. Wow. And there's a fabric pocket and some beautiful, this is a postcard and a greeting card, and that is either paper or wallpaper, and another tuck spot, and wow, just little tucks and little journal spots, and look at these tassels. How fun, Betty. This is inspired by life, created by hand, one of a kind art created by Betty. That's a cool stamp, Betty. Just all sorts of little tags and tucks, and it's not a flowish. I think it's sewn. Yeah, it's sewn. And just little fabrics and ooh, little what are those called? Slide mounts. I have some slides. And lots of charms. There's a little butterfly charm. Oh my gosh. There's another little paper clip charm, and inside the envelope. So much fun. Just fun stuff to play with, you know. I'm kind of tired of shopping at the big box stores. There's nothing wrong with the big box stores. They're awesome, right? We all know that. But I wanted more unique things, and with my 2 little kids, I don't have time to go through the thrift stores like super all the time. Cute little birds. Lots of birds. These are beautiful. And so I thought, I'm going to spend the same amount of money that I would spend at a big box store, but on Etsy. And since I'm an Etsy seller now, I wanted to support other Etsy sellers. And like I said, Betty's not an Etsy, but essentially another artist. I wanted to buy it from another artist. And I know Tim Holtz is an artist too, but I just want to see how other artists, you know, do their things. So Betty, you've really just got the most amazing fun style. Everything is sewn and stamped, but there's lots of white space. So if you're thinking about it, contact, oh, this is a beautiful one. Let me close this. contact Betty. She's got a great style. That's fun. Just really nice stuff. This would just be a great journal to give as a gift. Oh, I love that stitching, Betty. That's fabric. Big rickrack. So just really nice little envelopes and little pop tucks and little, I don't know if she made these or what, but there's little things in here. $20,000. I'll take $20,000. And little cutout tags and really great stuff. Lots of birds. I love birds. Vellum textiles. That's beautiful, Betty. Beautiful. Youth has no age. Designs with the birds. Beautiful book page. North American land birds. Lots and lots of little beads and little charms, and oh, that's cute. So it's worth it to find Betty. Find Betty. Ask Selena on AmourFabriQues to find Betty, because she'll lead you in the right direction. So I Facebook messaged her, and that's how I got a hold of her. And Betty Stewart. Yeah, this is just gorgeous, Betty. Worth every penny and more. Really, really well done. Very well done. Oh, fun. Huh, look at those birds. So, really nice stuff, Betty. I mean, what more can I say? Tassels. So, yeah, that's my little birthday haul, I guess I'll call it, from Etsy. Fun. Hi, little birdie. So, I have the air conditioning on. It's probably, you can probably hear it. It's hot here. A little book card. She sews these well. Good, Betty. They're very well sewn. So, little birdhouse and feathers and beautiful stuff. So, that is my Etsy-ish haul. So, thank you so much for watching. If you like, please hit that thumbs up like button. That'd make me very happy. And until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.